Yeah, until you cookies in. Me baggy. You be a bag and also near share. Yay, ta-da! Starting our cookies. Yeah, until me what 2 sticks or 1 cup butter here. Until butter na woman 1 cup. And I me what sugar and me fat 3/4 cup. And you fully 1 cup. Yes. Yan can sim. Boom. Yan start. Okay. Into me the main question. Everything. Yummy. Okay. Into me the last one. Okay. Into yan flan ni. Me the baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Ego. Okay, so say yeah, the young flan and the woman kakra. And I ain't you know what I'm talking about. Hey, vanilla. Yendo now you're ready. Yendo nini. Cookie dough. Yeah. I'm going to put it in the fridge for it to solidify for hours. Maybe overnight, depends because I have to go to work. So otherwise 2 hours I can work with it. See you. Okay, into yendo nini. Yeah. Yeah. It's also for the next day. Into yendo you say may use sugar see kakra so for decoration. The end started. Okay. Black kakra. Maybe I send a very sticky. Okay. Into any me rolling no. That's half. You know, any shape be open. Or cut out shape be open. Any. I just say what you check. Into I brilliant. Oh, wait me you shoot. Christmas cutters. Shape no. Then your penny beer. Okay. May all heart and so say and I may smaller ones, and you know, I don't know, maybe I can. Hey, you may use to cut like I say. Aha, I'm a dear trap. Boom. Kitty. Oops. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm finishing tobacco like that. Okay. Well, this is the second half, and my sugars are ready. And you know, a secret. Sugar, you know, person who send your bayana. My channel no so Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Yeah, check you all who send your colored sugar. And also no this one me used in the last year for cake. And you know, it's still good and I'm still using it too for this year too. Okay, and it says no me the butter for so. Yeah, made a secret in a very soon. Yeah. Into any. Now yeah. Shiny. Oh. Okay, nti baako no nso ni. Okay, ti ano nso ni. Ano ya yellow. Yo, nti yung cookies ni aya kama. Baako nso ni aya kamacious. Nti sese no me de kwahye oven. Yo, nti ya wie aben kama. Ani. Aben fefefe. Aso na yun aben. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pepe. Okay, now I should show what cookie container come. Container where I am made a cookies, shortbread. I should show come. See young cookies nini. I should show.